Greetings, fitness enthusiasts, and thank you for joining us on the Healthy You channel. Unleash your inner physical beast. One plank away. Tired of feeling sluggish? Wish you had more energy? Want a simple way to transform your body and mind? You're just 1 minute away from unleashing your inner superhero. It's true. Just 1 minute of planking each day can unlock incredible benefits, transforming you from the inside out. Get ready to feel the amazing power of the plank. Are you ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more energized than ever before? Join us on this exciting journey to discover the life-changing magic of the 1 minute plank. The science behind superhero strength. What makes planking so special? This simple exercise activates your entire core, the powerhouse of your body. We're talking abs, back, and even those deep inner muscles most exercises miss. By engaging these muscles, planking builds incredible strength and stability, like giving your body its own internal superhero suit. But wait, there's more. Planking also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. It's like having a secret weapon in your fight against unwanted pounds. Feel the burn, feel the power. Stand tall, feel fantastic. Slouching, bad posture, planking to the rescue. Remember those core muscles we talked about? They play a vital role in supporting your spine and improving your posture. A strong core means standing taller, feeling more confident, and saying goodbye to those aches and pains caused by slouching. Imagine walking into a room, head held high, radiating confidence and strength. That's the power of good posture, and it's just a plank away. A clear mind on a strong body. Believe it or not, planking doesn't just transform your body, it also sharpens your mind. Exercise, including planking, releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that elevate your mood and reduce stress. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a minute, plank it out, and feel the stress melt away. A 1 minute plank can be your secret weapon for a clearer mind, a more positive outlook, and a greater sense of well-being. It's like meditation with the added bonus of superhero strength. Plank power. Anytime, anywhere. No gym? No problem. Planking is the ultimate exercise in convenience. All you need is a flat surface and 1 minute to spare. Fit it into your morning routine, squeeze it in during your lunch break, or even plank while watching your favorite show. No excuses. 1 minute, that's all it takes to unlock the amazing benefits of planking. It's time to take control of your health and well-being, one plank at a time. Join the 1 minute plank revolution. Are you ready to join the movement that's transforming lives one plank at a time? It's time to ditch the excuses and embrace the power of the 1 minute plank. Feel the difference, feel the strength, feel the amazing transformation. Start your plank journey today. Your stronger, healthier, more energized self is waiting. Thanks for joining us on Healthy You. We hope you found this information useful, and most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.